Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the another topic of the same chapter that I started in previous day, rotation and revolution. So today we are going to discuss the topic that is, perhaps you know, that is the solstice. Okay. So there we have to know what is solstice, summer. Okay. So one by one we have to learn. So first, if we want to learn this thing, so first thing we have to know what is solstice. Solstice means, you can say, that it is a Latin word meaning the sun stopping. Okay, the point of the horizontal or horizon where the sun appears to rise or and set and stops or reverse or direction on that day. Okay, on the solstice the sun does not rise precisely in the east, but rises some portion, you consider, to the north or to the north of east, or sets to the northwest, meaning the visible in the sky is the longer period for time, means that sun can be seen in the for the longer period. Okay. If we want to discuss by this blackboard whiteboard, so that time we have to know that the solstice are, you can say, three types. Okay. First thing you can say, if you take that the first one is the summer solstice. Number two, perhaps you know, that is the winter solstice, and third one is the, also it is a part of equinox. Okay. So how, when this time will come, summer solstice? First thing, the summer solstice, if you consider, it is our earth. Okay, and this is our, you can say, the axis, and somehow this is our equator, that is 0°, and after that you can say this is the Tropic of Cancer, 23.5° north line. So this time you can say the 21st June. Okay, what happened 21st June? Direct sunlight, you can say the straight sunlight, fall on the Tropic of Cancer. Okay, Tropic of Cancer. So what happened this time? The, you can see the so this time in the northern hemisphere there will be longer day, because earth tilts more, northern hemisphere tilts towards the sun. Okay, towards the sun. So that's why northern hemisphere in this 21st June there will be longer day, and you can see the shorter night. Okay. On the other hand, if you, this is northern hemisphere, okay, and this area means below the equator, this is the southern hemisphere. Okay, southern hemisphere. So opposite thing, opposite happen in the southern hemisphere. There will be shorter day and longer night. Okay, so this thing we have to do. Okay, so this when this time is come, 21st June. Okay, so 21st June, so this time is called the summer solstice. Okay, this is called the summer solstice. Okay, summer solstice. So perhaps you know this is the summer solstice. Okay, I think I made it clear. So this time what the effect will be? Direct sunlight fall on the Tropic of Cancer. In the northern hemisphere there will be longer day and shorter night. On the opposite direction, means the opposite side, in the southern hemisphere there will be shorter day and longer night. Okay, so this is called the summer solstice. Then come to the, so sun position is here. Okay, sun position, if you consider, so here is sun. Okay, so direct sunlight fall on that Tropic of Cancer. On the other hand, you can say discuss the winter solstice. Okay. In the case of winter solstice, if you consider this is our earth, okay, and this is you consider our axis, this is our 0 degree means equator, and there you can say perhaps 23 half south line. So this line is called what? The Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, Tropic of Capricorn, and sun position perhaps here. So in this situation, perhaps that is the that is you can say winter solstice, that is the 22nd December. Okay, on which date? 22nd December. On 22nd December, what happened? Direct sunlight fall on Tropic of Capricorn, means 23.5 degree south latitudes. So what happened during this time in the southern hemisphere? This area perhaps the southern hemisphere, above the equator this is the northern hemisphere. So direct sunlight fall on the Tropic of Capricorn. So what happened in the southern hemisphere? There will be southern hemisphere, I am telling southern hemisphere, what will be? First thing, what will be? Longer day. Okay, longer day and shorter night. On the other hand, in the northern hemisphere, opposite thing will be shorter day, longer night. Okay. So this position is known as what? This position will be known as the winter solstice. Okay. So during time, which date it come? Every year, if you consider 22nd December, so that time this situation can come. Okay. So these are the two situations. So far you discussed the summer solstice and winter solstice. Okay. Sometime in the exam the question come, what are the difference between the summer solstice and winter solstice. Okay. So we have to know this thing also. Second thing, the third one, that is the equinox. Okay. I have to take the another slide for this. Okay. So equinox. Okay, equinox. Okay, equinox we have to discuss so far. Okay, two dates, you can say that two dates, 21st June, sorry, 21st March, and another date 23rd September. So these two dates, okay, these two dates you can say these two dates, if you consider this is our earth, this is our sun. Okay, here you can understand one thing, that is our earth, here is also our earth, sorry, just hold on. Okay, so this is our, somehow it is our earth. Then come to here, you can say this is also, this is the 4 position of the earth, here is an also position. Okay, so this is the, we already discussed 21st June, this is 22nd December, and after that you can say that is the 21st March. Okay, and here is an 23rd September. Okay, so what happened during this time, means the 21st March, this 2 date. Okay, during 2 days what happened, that is the, you can say the 21st March and 23rd September, direct sunlight. Okay, direct sunlight fall on the equator. So previously we discussed during time of the summer solstice, direct sunlight fall on the Tropic of Cancer, yes or no, 23.5 degrees north. In the case of the 22nd December, direct sunlight fall on the topic of Capricorn. Okay. Now this time, sorry, it will be S. Okay, it will be Capricorn, topic of Capricorn. So what happens? So this we already observed, we experienced already. Now this time you can say the 21st March and 23rd September, direct sunlight fall on the equator. Why it can? Equator. Okay, so equator you can say the on the basis of the equator means the 0 degree. So this is there will be in the 21st March. Okay, 21st March and 23rd September, approximately 12 hours day and 12 hours day, 12 hours day and 12 hours night, 12-hour nights. Okay, so this thing we have to understand. So so there will be equal day and equal night. This condition of the earth, you can say it is known as the equinox. Okay, why what it is called? Equinox. Okay, so these three concepts you have to memorize. Okay, this three concept is very important to all of us. Okay, so this thing we have to understand. Okay, I think I made it clear. So far we discussed some portion, you can say some portion, the if you you can say first portion we discussed the summer solstice, then we winter solstice, after that the equinox. These three position of the earth you have to memorize. First position here on equinox, here it is also equinox. It is summer solstice. If you want to write over there, so you can write also summer. Okay, summer solstice. This is the winter solstice, winter solstice. Okay, so and this is the equinox 21st. So date you have to memorize and position you have to memorize. Sometime question can come that the what is summer solstice, what is winter solstice, date there, where the what is the position of this. So you have to memorize this thing. Okay, so this much for today, all of you. Bye.